हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियोस ला रहे हैं। अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के हमारे वीडियोस आखिर तक देखते हो और बार बार देखते हो तो आपकी अच्छी लर्निंग होगी और आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स यानी कि मार्क्स आएंगे। आप टॉपर स्टूडेंट बन जाओगे क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। हम आपके लिए मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं। सिर्फ हमारे लिए एक काम करो, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलो, ताकि जब भी हम नया वीडियो बनाएंगे या कोई नया अपडेट आपके लिए होगा तो तुरंत आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करना ना भूलो। आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए हमने एक खास ऐप बनाया है। इसमें आपके लिए होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात जो कि एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस यानी कि क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आप वहाँ पे टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और आपके तुरंत मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे। आपका परफॉर्मेंस आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपको सर्च करना है माई बेस्ट गुरु नाम से। थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट लक फॉर योर स्टडी।
by 2. So, x is equals to minus 1 plus 19 divided by 2, or x is equals to minus 1 minus 19 divided by 2. So, the value of x is equal to minus 1 plus 19 is 18 divided by 2, or the value of x is equals to minus 1 minus 19 is minus 20 divided by 2. Now, 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. And here it is 2 ones are 2 and 2 tens are 20. So you got the value of x is equal to 9 or x is equals to minus 10. But age cannot be negative, so we cannot take minus 10. That's why x is equals to 9 is the answer. So Pragati is present, age is 9 years. Question number second. Sum of squares of two consecutive natural even numbers is 244. Find the numbers. So the solution for this is, let the two consecutive even numbers be x and x plus 2. Now given sum of squares of these numbers is 244. So x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equals to 244. So x square, now by using a plus b whole square, we will expand this. So it is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to 244. So x square plus x square, 2x square plus 4x as it is plus 4, and this plus 244 it will be minus to the LHS side. So 244 is equals to 0. Now 2x square plus 4x minus 240, as we are subtracting these two, so you will get 240 is equals to 0. Now we will divide this by 2, so you will get 2 square plus 2x, as this is 2 square, 2x square divided by 2 is x square, 4x divided by 2 is 2x, minus 240 divided by 2 is 120 is equals to 0. Now by using the formula method, we will calculate the value of x. So x is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. As you have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, then you will get the value of a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to minus 120. So x is equals to, just put the values of a, b, c in this formula. So here b is minus 2 plus minus under root of b square, that is 2 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 120 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So just simplify this. X is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 square is 4, minus minus it will be plus, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 120 is 480 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root of 4 plus 480 is 484 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equals to minus 2 plus minus the square root of 484 is 22 divided by 2 as it is. So, x is equals to, take 2 common from the numerator side. So, when you take 2 common, you will have in bracket minus 1 plus minus under 11 divided by 2. Therefore, just cancel these two. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So after cutting that, you will get x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 11. So x is equals to -1 plus 11 or x is equals to -1 minus 11. Therefore, x is equal to -1 plus 11 is plus 10 or x is equal to -1 minus 11 is -12. So, but natural numbers cannot be negative. So, x should not be equals to -12. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So, the second number be x plus 2 is equals to 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. The numbers are 10 and 12. So that consecutive natural even numbers are 10. Question number 3. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that of in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of flowchart. So the chart is given, number of trees in column is x. Now number of trees in row that we have to find out, that is dash dash. Now total number of trees again equals to dash. Frame the quadratic equation. Now find the value of x, number of trees in the column, and at last number of trees in the row. Now see, according to the question, we have number of trees in a row is x plus 5 and number of trees, total number of trees is x in bracket x plus 5. Now we will solve this. Solution is, let the number of trees in a column be x. So the number of trees in row is equals to x plus 5. So total number of trees is equal to number of rows multiplied by number of columns. So it is equals to x in bracket x plus 5. So as columns is equal to x and rows are x plus 5. Therefore x multiplied by in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150, as given value is total number of trees are 150. So multiply this x with x is x square plus x with 5 is 5x is equal to 150. So x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. As this 150 is in the addition to RHS side, just take this to the LHS side. Now again we will solve this by using the factorization. So just take this 150 outside, 150, find out the factors of that 150 like that. You will get multiplication is 150 and its subtraction is 5. So it is 15 multiplied by 10 is 150. So this is, as we want the sign is positive, so just give plus sign to the greater number and minus sign to the smaller number. So it is plus 15 minus 10. Just on the place of this 5x, put this 15 and 10. So it is 15x minus 10x. Now you will get the equation x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Now just make a group of 2. Just x square plus 15x is first group and minus 10x minus 150 is second group. Now take the common. So here we can take x as a common. So remaining, what is remaining in the bracket is x plus 15. Now take minus 10 commons. You will get minus 10 outside plus x inside, minus out, 10 out. It is 15 is equals to 0. So x minus 10 and same bracket at one time it is x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 15 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 10 or the value of x is equal to minus 15. Therefore, but number of columns cannot be negative, so we cannot take x. So that value of x should not be equals to 15. So x is equals to 10 is the answer. So number of trees in the column is 10 and number of trees in the rows are x plus 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Question number 4. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocal of their ages is 1 by 6. Find the present ages. So the solution is, let the present age of Kishore be x years. So Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So therefore Vivek's age is x plus 5 years. So the sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 6. Therefore 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 5 is equals to 1 up by 6. Therefore, we will just add this. So multiply this by x plus 5 and x plus 5, and here x and x. So you will get x plus 5 plus x divided by x in bracket x plus 5 is equals to 1 by 6. So 2x plus 5, as x plus x is 2x plus 5, and x multiplied by x is x square plus 5x is equals to 1 upon 6. Therefore, just cross multiply this. So you will get 6 in bracket 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 in bracket x square plus 5x. Therefore, just multiply this bracket by 6. So you will get 6 multiplied by 2 is 12x, and plus 5 multiplied by 6 is 30 is equals to, multiply this bracket by 1, you will get x square plus 5x. So just rearrange this, x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus, just do the calculations for these two. So plus 5x minus 12x is equals to 7x, minus 30 is equal to 0. Now we will find out this by factorization method. Just take this minus 30 out, and you have to find out the numbers like that. The multiplication should be 30 and its subtraction is 7. So it is 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are. So this one is, so to the 7 minus sign is there. So just give minus sign to your greater number. And just on the place of this minus 7, put 10 and 3x. So it is x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equals to 0. Now make a group of 2. So x square minus 10x be the first group and 3x minus 30 is the second group. So from this you have to take x common. What is remaining in the bracket? X minus 10, as x is out. And from here this 10, x is out. Plus 3 in bracket x minus 10 is equals to 0. So from these two we are taking 3 common. Now same bracket you have to write down 1, that is x minus 10, and remaining things in the second bracket, that is x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x minus 10 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 3. But age cannot be negative, so x should not be equals to minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So the Kishore's present age is 10 years and Vivek's present age is 15 years. Question number 5. Suyash scores 10 marks more in second test than that in the first. 5 times the score of second test is the same as square of the score in the first test. Find his score in the first test. So the solution is, let the Suyash score x marks in the first test. Now score in the second test is equal to x plus 10, as he scored 10 marks more. Now 5 times the score of second test is the same as score of in the first test. So x square is equal to 5 in bracket x plus 10. Therefore x square is equal to, just multiply these, 5 multiplied by x plus 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. So just rearrange this. So x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Now just take this 50 out. So find out the factors of these 50 like that. You will get multiplication is 50 and your subtraction is 10. So you have it as subtraction is this one, minus 5. So 10 multiplied by 5. So 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. As you have minus sign to your 5, so just give sign to the 10 as a minus. Just on the place of this minus 5x, put these values 10 and 5. So you will get x square minus 10x plus 5 minus 50 is equal to 0. Just make a group of 2. X square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50. These are the two groups. just take a common x, so you will get x minus 10 in the bracket, and from these two take 5 common, you will get x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now therefore same bracket, write down it at once, so it is x minus 10 and remaining things in the second bracket, that is x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. So find out the value of x from this, so x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 5. But marks cannot be negative, so x is equal to 10. So your score in the first test is 10. Now question number 6. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes a certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times of total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all the pots per day is 600, find the production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. So the solution is, let the number of pots of Mr. Kasam makes in one day be x. Now production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times of total number of pots he makes in one day, is equals to 10x plus 40. So the production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600. So it is 10x plus 40 in bracket, this is in bracket, multiply by x is equals to 600. Therefore just multiply these. So 10x multiplied by x is 10x square plus 40 multiplied by x is 40x minus 600 is equals to 0. Now just make it simple. So divide both the sides by 10. You will get x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now just find out the factors for this. Take this 60 minus 60 out. Find out the factors of this 60 like that. You will get answer. It means subtraction is 4 and addition is minus 60. So it is 10 multiplied by 6. So it is equals to, this will be plus, this will be minus. So you will get x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. Just make a group of 2. So it is x square plus 10x. X square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equals to 0. So from this you have to take x common, you will get x plus 10. From another you have to take minus 6 common, it will be x plus 10 is equals to 0. Now you have x plus 10 is same number here and x minus 6 to the another bracket is equals to 0. So the value of x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 6. So, but the number of pots cannot be negative, so x should not be equals to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 6. So the solution for this is, production cost of one day is equals to 10 multiplied by 6 plus 40. So calculate this. So 10 multiplied by 6 is 60 plus 40, it is 100. Therefore, Mr. Kasam makes 6 pots in one day and production cost of one pot is 100 rupees. Question number 7. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of water current. Now solution is, let the speed of water current is x km per hour. So the speed of boat in still water is equal to 12 km per hour as this is given. The speed of boat in the water is 12 km per hour. So speed of upstream is equals to 12 minus x and speed of downstream is equals to 12 plus x. Now distance travelled is equal to 36 km downstream and 36 km upstream. So total distance is equal to 8, total time is equals to 8 hours and speed is equals to distance divided by time. This is the formula. So what is the speed? Speed is equals to distance divided by time. Therefore, we have to calculate the time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So here time is 36 divided by 12 plus x plus 36 divided by 12 minus x is equals to 8 hours. As this is given downstream and upstream. Therefore 36 in bracket, just take this 36 common, you will have 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x is equals to 8. So 36 in bracket, just make the denominator same because we have to add this, and here denominators are not same. Just multiply this, so you will get 12 minus x plus 12 plus x upon 12 plus x in another bracket 12 minus x is equals to 8. Therefore it is equals to, so just plus x minus x will get cancelled, 12 plus 12 is 24, and this we are cutting this here, 12 plus 12 is 24. Now you have, by using a plus b and a minus b, we will write down this a plus b and a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So it is 12 square minus x square is equals to 2. Therefore 9 multiplied by 24 divided by 144 minus x square is equals to 2. So 9 multiplied by 24 is equals to 2 in bracket 144 minus x square, as this is going to this side. So 9 multiplied by 24 is 216 is equals to 2 multiplied by 144 is 288 minus 2x square. So 216 minus 288 is plus 2x square is equals to 0. Now rearrange these. So after rearranging we will get 2x square minus 288 plus 216 is equals to 0. So 2x square minus 72. Just calculate this. So you will get this 72 is equals to 0. So x square minus 36 is equals to 0, as we are dividing both the sides by 2, or we are taking 2 common from this. Then you will get x square is equals to 36, and x, the value of x is equals to under root of 36. So when you calculate this, you will get x is equals to plus minus 6. Therefore the value of x is minus 6 or the value of x is plus 6. But speed cannot be negative, so x should not be equals to minus 6. Therefore x is equals to 6. So the speed of water current is 6 km per hour. Question number 8. Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain work. If they work together, they finish it in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? So the solution is, let the number of days taken by Nishu be x. So number of days taken by Pintu will be x plus 6. So Nishu's 1 day work is 1 upon x, and Pintu's 1 day work be 1 divided by x plus 6. So work done together in 4 days is equals to 1 upon 4. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6 is equals to 1 upon 4. Now just make the denominator same first and add this. So here we don't have x plus 6, so multiply these 2 by x plus 6 and multiply these 2 by x. So you will get x plus 6 plus x divided by x in bracket x plus 6 is equals to 1 by 4. So x plus x is 2x, 6 as it is, x multiply with x is this x square, and x multiply with 6 is 6x is equals to 1 by 4. So 4 in bracket, as we know that in between the fractions equal to sign is there, then we have to cross multiply that. So 4 multiplied by 6 plus 2x is equal to x square plus 6x multiplied by 1 is same. Therefore 4 multiplied by 6 is 24 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8x is equals to x square plus 6x. Therefore just rearrange this, x square plus 6x minus 24 minus 8x is equals to 0. Then x square, this 6x minus 8x is minus 2x, and minus 24 as it is equals to 0. Now we have, just take this minus 24 out, and you have to find out the factors of that 24, as its multiplication should be 24 and its subtraction should be 2. So it is 6 multiplied by 4. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. As you have minus sign to 2, so you have to give minus sign to your 6. So you will have the expression as x square minus 6x plus 4x is minus 24 is equals to 0. Now just make a group of 4 as x square minus 6 is the first group and 4x minus 24 is second group. Now take x common from these first group, then you will get x minus 6 in the bracket and plus 4 from the second group, then you will have x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 same bracket one time and x plus 4 the remaining things in the second bracket is equals to 0. So you will have x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 4, but the number of days cannot be negative, so x should not be equals to minus 4, therefore x is equal to 6. So number of days taken by Nishu is 6 and number of days taken by Pintu is 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Therefore number of days taken by Nishu and Pintu are 6 and Question number 9. If 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than the 5 times of the divisor and remainder is 1. Find the quotient and divisor. So the solution is, let the divisor be x, dividend is equals to 460 as it is given. So quotient is 6 more than 5 times of the divisor. So the quotient is equals to 5x plus 6 and remainder is equals to 1. So dividend is equals to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. We will put the values of this in this formula. So it is 460, quotient is 5x plus 6, your divisor is x and your remainder is 1. So it is equals to 460 is equals to 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Therefore 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is equals to 0. We just rearrange that. So it is equals to 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equals to 0. So x is equals to, by using the formula method, we will find out the value of x. So we will have the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of a is equals to 5. Here you have value of a is 5. Your value of b is 6. And the value of c is minus 459. Just put the value of a, b and c in this. So you have the value of b is 6. So minus 6 plus minus b square is 6 square minus 4. On the place of a put 5 as we have the value of a as a 5. And c is minus 459 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. So x is equals to minus 6 plus minus 6 square is 36. When you multiply this minus minus it will become plus. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 and 20 multiplied by 459 is 9182 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So x is equals to minus 6 plus minus under root of, just add these two, 36 plus 9182 is 9216 divided by 10. So minus 6 plus minus the square root of 9216 is 96 divided by 10. So next is x is equals to minus 6 plus 96 divided by 10 or x is equals to minus 6 minus 96 divided by 10. So x is equals to minus 6 plus 96 is 90 divided by 10 or x is equals to minus 6 minus 96 is minus 102 divided by 10. Now cut this as 10 ones are 10 and 10 nines are 90. So it is x is equals to 9 and for x it is equals to minus 10.2. But natural numbers cannot be negative. So x should not be equals to minus 10.2. Therefore x is equals to 9. So divisor is equals to 9. As quotient is equals to 5x plus 6. So it is 9 multiplied by 5 plus 6 is equals to 45 plus 6. 45 plus 6 is 51. Therefore, quotient and divisor are 51 and 9. Question number 10. In the adjoining figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD and its area is 33 cm square. From the information given in the figure, find the length of all the sides of ABCD. Fill the empty boxes to get the solution. So the figure is given as this ABCD is a trapezium, this AM is height and BC is a side. That side is given, that is x minus 2, BC is x minus 2, AB is x, and this DC is 2x plus 1. Now we have quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. So AB is parallel to CD. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD, as this is trapezium, so it is equals to 1 upon 2 in bracket AB plus CD, as you have to add two parallel sides and multiply by height. You have height is, we will fill in that, and you have area is given, that is 33, 1 by 2, fill the values of AB and CD in this, that is x plus 2x and CD is 1. So it is equals to 3x plus 1 multiplied by dash. Now we will put this. See, this is height. Height is AM. So we put here AM. Now next is, what is the value of AM? It is x minus 4. So it is x minus 4. Now this is 33. This 2 coming to your LHS side. So it is 33 multiplied by 2 is equals to x plus 2x is 3x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 4. Now we have 3x square plus dash minus dash is equals to 0. So 3x dash dash plus 10 dash dash is equals to 0. So this is 3x plus 10. In bracket we have to fill it, so it is dash is equals to 0. So 3x plus 10 is equal to 0, or fill in the blanks is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 upon 3 or x is equal to dash. But the length is never negative. So x is not equals to minus 10 upon 3. Therefore, x is equal to bracket. So AB is equal to dash dash. CD is equals to dash dash. AD is equals to BC is equals to dash. Therefore, now we will put this according to the equation. We will have 3x square plus, in this box we have to put 11x and here 70. Now you have to find out this by using the factorization method. So 3 multiplied by 70, 3 multiplied by minus 70 is minus 210. Minus 210. You have to find out the factors of this 210 like that. You will get multiplication 210 and your subtraction is 11. So you will have here x minus 7 and you will have here x minus 7. As you are taking this is in a proper format. So this is same bracket one time. It is x minus 7, and for the next part, see, we write here this is as it is, and x minus 7 is equals to 0. So you have x is equals to minus 10 by 3, or you have x is equals to 7. Now you have here x is equals to 7. So AB is equals to 7, CD is equals to 15, and AD is equals to BC is equals.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राइब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राइब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राइब करा.